Hi everyone. Today I will show you a simple trick to insert a blank column into a table in Power BI Desktop. If you have experience in using Power BI, you should know that there is no simple or direct way to insert blank column into a table. We will only get a table like this. But there are many reasons that a regular user would like to insert a blank column into a table to give a visual impact of separation like this. So that we have three different sets of data. The first set is the KPI 1, the second set is for KPI 2, and the final set is the versus last year percentage change. This is what we used to do in Excel, and people love Excel so much, so they want to replicate this kind of thing into Power BI. So let's see how we are going to do it with a simple trick. To insert a blank column, I will need a measure that returns nothing but blank value. Let's add a new measure. Right click, new measure. Let's call this new measure as dummy, and the function is blank. As simple as this. Now, the next step is to move this dummy measure to where we want to see the blank column, which is here and here. That's why I'm going to drag this dummy measure into here and also here. As simple as that. We can see that the header is dummy, but we don't want to see the dummy. So the trick is we can rename it to a single dot. Not yet done, we still need some formatting check. Go to the format pane here, field formatting. Select the field dot. I want a white color on the white background, and I want to apply it to header and total. Not yet. One more step is to get rid of the vertical and the horizontal grid. There we go. A simple trick. Not perfect, but easily done.